When the power goes out or you're heading off the grid, having a reliable backup plan becomes essential. Solar generators offer an eco-friendly and portable solution, ensuring you're never left without energy. And here we are with some of the most reliable and powerhouse solar generators. All the links are in the description below. Number 15. Anker Solix F2000. This generator is designed with InfiniPower's long-lasting technology, ensuring it remains reliable for over a decade even with daily use. This portable power station delivers a powerful 2,400 watts output with an exclusive RV port, 4 AC outlets, 3 USB-C ports, 2 USB-A ports, and 2 car outlets, allowing you to power nearly all your devices simultaneously. It can handle high wattage devices up to 3,600 watts without the risk of overloading. Plus, it charges quickly with hyperflash technology, going from 0 to 80% in just 1.4 hours. With a 5-year full device warranty, it's perfect for both residential use and outdoor activities like camping. Weighing 67.3 pounds and supports solar charging, making it a versatile, long-lasting, and reliable solution for all your power needs. Number 14. Jackery Explorer 2000 Pro. Equipped with a 2,160 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, it delivers a rated power output of 2,200 watts with a peak of 4,400 watts, making it capable of powering a wide range of appliances. One of its standout features is fast charging. It can recharge fully in just 2 hours via an AC wall outlet. Using solar panels, it can be recharged in approximately 2.5 hours, depending on sunlight conditions. The Explorer 2000 Pro offers multiple output options, including 3 2,200 watts AC outlets, USB-C, USB-A, and DC ports, allowing you to power everything from small electronics to larger appliances. Built for durability, it also provides multiple safety protections, including safeguards against overvoltage and short circuits, making it a reliable choice for outdoor adventures. However, it weighs 19.5 kilograms, which may make portability a challenge for some users. Number 13. Bluetti EB240. This is a highly capable portable solar generator offering a 2,400 watt-hour capacity and 1,000 watts continuous power, with a peak of 1,200 watts. It's an excellent choice for off-grid living, camping, or as an emergency backup. The EB240 has multiple output options, including 2 AC outlets, 110 volts, a 12 volts DC port, and USB ports, including USB-C, allowing you to power a wide variety of devices from small gadgets to larger appliances. You can recharge the EB240 via AC wall outlets, solar panels up to 500 watts, or your car. The solar charging process is efficient, taking about 8.4 hours with a 300 watt solar panel. If you opt for a higher capacity solar panel, 500 watts, you can recharge it in just 5.5 hours. The EB240 also includes an MPPT charge controller, which helps maximize solar charging efficiency. Number 12. Yeti 1500X. This portable backup power supply is a versatile solution for off-grid use or during emergency power outages. It features a 1,516 watt-hour capacity and can power a wide range of devices, including phones, laptops, electric barbecues, and TVs. With 10 versatile ports, it can also run large appliances like refrigerators and microwaves, thanks to its pure sine 2,000 watts inverter, 3,500 watts surge. Designed with a heavy-duty anodized aluminum enclosure and a Tier 1 lithium battery, this power station is built for reliability and longevity. You can enhance its functionality by pairing it with a solar panel, turning it into a solar generator. The unit also includes a 600 watts MPPT charge controller, which boosts solar input by up to 30% for faster recharging. Number 11. Bluetti EB70S. This generator offers a 716 watt-hour capacity and 800 watts output, making it a great option for charging multiple devices at once. It includes 4 AC outlets, 2 USB-C ports with 100 watts output, and a 15 watts wireless charging pad for smaller electronics. Powered by a lithium iron phosphate battery, it provides 2,500 plus life cycles, meaning it lasts longer than most other batteries. You can recharge it in about 3 to 4 hours using an AC outlet, solar panel up to 200 watts, or a 12 volts carport. Its eco mode saves energy by shutting down unused ports after 4 hours. You can run a 60 watts cooler for about 10 hours, or charge a laptop and smartphone simultaneously without overheating. However, it's not suitable for large devices like full-sized refrigerators due to its 800 watts limit. Number 10. Ecoflow Portable Power Station. When you need fast and reliable power, this device delivers with 7 times faster charging, going from 0 to 80% in just 50 minutes and 0 to 100% in 80 minutes using an AC input. It's the perfect solution for quick home backup or on-the-go charging. Starting with 1 kilowatt hour, you can easily expand up to 3 kilowatt hour, making it a great option for camping, RVs, or off-grid living. With a powerful 1800 watts output, it can run most household appliances without the noise or fumes of traditional generators. Plus, it features up to 500 watts of solar panel input, so you can keep it charged in the great outdoors. The sophisticated battery management system, BMS, ensures safe, efficient operation with automatic regulation. Number 9. Jackery Explorer 240. This compact entry-level portable power station comes with a robust 240 watt-hour lithium-ion battery pack weighing just 6.6 pounds for easy portability. Its solid handle makes carrying a breeze. The Explorer 240 is highly versatile, offering one pure sine wave AC outlet, 110 volts, 200 watts, 400 watts peak, 2 USB-A ports, 5 volts, 2.4 amperes, making it perfect for charging essentials like smartphones and laptops during your road trips. You can recharge it using the Jackery Solar Saga 60 or Solar Saga 100 solar panel with the built-in MPPT controller maximizing the solar panel's power efficiency. Additionally, you have the option to recharge via a wall or car outlet, giving you more flexibility. Number 8. Bluetti AC 200 liters. This portable power station is designed to meet high power demands, offering an impressive 2048 watt-hour capacity and 2400 watts output, surging up to 4800 watts. It can easily power devices like hair dryers, microwaves, and kettles. Equipped with 4 AC outlets, 2 USB-C ports, 100 watts each, and multiple DC outputs, it's highly versatile for powering a range of devices from laptops to RV equipment. Additionally, it supports solar input for recharging via solar panels, ideal for off-grid usage. While it weighs 28.3 kilograms, which can be hard to carry, but the design includes sturdy handles for easier transport. Number 7. Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus. The Jackery Explorer 2000 Plus is a robust portable power station that excels in both outdoor and emergency scenarios, with a large 2042 watt-hour capacity and 3000 watts continuous power, peaking at 6000 watts. It can easily run a wide variety of appliances, from small electronics to larger items like refrigerators and power tools. One of its major advantages is its rapid recharging. It can fully recharge in just 2 hours via an AC outlet. Additionally, Jackery has enhanced solar charging, allowing the Explorer 2000 Plus to be fully charged in about 2 hours using up to 6 200 watts Solar Saga panels and equipped with a lithium iron phosphate LiFePO4 battery, which not only offers a longer lifespan, lasting up to 10 years of regular use, but also provides greater safety compared to traditional lithium-ion batteries. Number 6. Yeti 1000 Core. This powerful portable power station offers 983 watt-hours of capacity, making it capable of running both small and large appliances during a power outage. It features a 1200 watts pure sine inverter with a surge capacity of 2400 watts, which can easily handle full-size refrigerators, microwaves, and TVs. It also has various ports for charging smaller devices, including a 60 watts USB-C port for fast charging. When paired with solar panels, it uses MPPT, maximum power point tracking technology, to boost solar efficiency by 30%, turning the power station into a solar-powered generator. Powered by Tier 1 lithium battery cells and protected by a multi-sensor battery management system, it ensures long-lasting, safe, and efficient use. Number 5. Ecoflow Delta 2 Max. Delta 2 Max is a powerful portable power station with a 2400 watts output and a large 2048 watt-hour capacity, making it ideal for both home backup and outdoor use like camping and RVing. It charges quickly, reaching 80% capacity in just 43 minutes using AC or solar, and can be fully recharged in about 2.3 hours with a 1000 watt solar panel. Featuring durable LFP battery technology, it has a long lifespan of up to 10 years with 3000 cycles. It runs a variety of devices including appliances up to 3100 watts and is quiet, operating at just 30 decibels. It also works with solar panels and can be managed with the Ecoflow app for optimized energy use. Number 4. Jackery Explorer 3000 Pro. It is a versatile solar generator that provides reliable power for home backup, RVs, off-grid living, and outdoor activities. It features an impressive 3024 watt-hour battery and can output up to 3000 watts, which is enough to run larger appliances like refrigerators, air conditioners, and microwaves. This power station offers fast recharging, taking just 2.4 hours to fully charge via an AC outlet. For ease of transport, it weighs 63.9 pounds and is equipped with a retractable handle and wheels, making it more portable than many similar products. The generator also boasts a long lifespan, offering up to 2,000 charge cycles, ensuring its reliability for years to come. For solar power, it's compatible with Jackery's Solar Saga 200-watt solar panels, allowing you to recharge it using renewable energy. Number 3. Oupes 600 watts portable power station. This portable power station is perfect for camping, RVs, and emergency use at home. It offers 595 watt-hour of battery capacity and can supply 600 watts of continuous power with a surge capacity of 1000 watts. It has multiple output options, including 2 AC outlets, DC ports, and USB ports, making it versatile for powering various devices. For example, it can run a 40-watt fridge for over 16 hours, or charge a smartphone more than 40 times. Weighing only 12 pounds, it's easy to transport, and it can be recharged in 6 to 7 hours from a wall outlet. It's also compatible with solar panels, offering an eco-friendly way to recharge outdoors. Number 2. Takki 120 watts peak solar generator. This portable power station and solar panel combo is perfect for camping, off-grid living, or power outages where conventional charging is unavailable. The power station has an 88.8 watt-hour capacity, equivalent to 24,000 milliamp hours, and can provide backup power for small devices like phones, camping lights, laptops, and mini fridges. It can run high-power devices up to 80 watts for over 2 hours, depending on the device. The included 21-watt foldable solar panel offers efficient recharging with a conversion rate of up to 23% and comes with 10 different DC connectors, making it versatile for various devices. Both the power station and solar panel are compact and portable, designed for easy mobility. Number 1. Anker Solix C300. C300 is a compact, versatile, portable power station designed for outdoor adventures, travel, and emergency backup. With a 288 watt-hour LiFePO4 battery, it provides 300 watt of continuous power, 600 watt surge, and features 7 ports, including USB-C up to 140 watt, USB-A, and a car socket for versatile charging. It can recharge to 80% in just 50 minutes via a wall outlet and supports solar panel charging for off-grid use. Its design is 15% smaller than similar products, making it highly portable, and it includes Bluetooth and Wi-Fi control for easy monitoring. However, it does not come with an AC inverter by default, but one can be added for an additional cost. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.